Hello students, welcome back to our maths class. So we can move on to the next topic, that is exterior angle of a triangle. So we know for a triangle, three angles are there, right? That means here a triangle ABC. So it have three angles, angle A, angle B and angle C. So that three angles lies in interior of this triangle. And we already know the angle sum property of a triangle. That means the sum of measures of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That means that three angles are interior angles. Okay. Now, what is meant by exterior angle? That means, see, this one is side BC. If we extend this BC to D, here an angle is formed. That is angle ACD. This angle ACD we call it as exterior angle. That means if we extend the sides of a triangle, angles are formed. That such angles we call it as what? Exterior angle. Here if we extend the side BC to D, see here an exterior angle is formed. So here angle ACD is the exterior angle and other three angles are what? Interior angles. Similarly, if we extend the side AP or AC, if we extend this AC or AB, we can form an exterior angle. Okay, so here there is a theorem for exterior angle. Okay, that means there is a relation. There is a relation between this exterior angle and interior angles. That is exterior angle theorem. Exterior angle is equal to here angle ACD. That is exterior angle. Angle ACD equal to sum of interior opposite angles. If I mark here 1, 2 and 3. Three angles are here. So here exterior angle equal to sum of interior opposite angles. That means this angle 1 and angle 2, they are opposite to this angle ACD. See this 3, they are adjacent. Okay, this 3 is adjacent to this exterior angle. Okay, so here exterior angle theorem means exterior angle equal to sum of interior opposite angles. That means here angle 1 plus angle 2. This angle ACD is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2 because they are opposite angles. This angle 3 is adjacent. They are adjacent to this exterior angle or side by side, these two angles. So we can't take this angle 3. Okay. So exterior angle theorem means exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. That means angle 1 plus angle 2. So that is the relation for the exterior angle of a triangle. Okay. So this is the definition. Exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Now we can discuss few problems based on this theorem. Okay. So we can discuss the first question, that is find the value of x. Now here x is exterior angle, right? And 50 and 70 degree are interior angles. So we know we want to find the value of x and here x is exterior angle. So we can apply the exterior angle theorem, that is exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. That means see these two are interior angles and also it is opposite to angle x. Okay, opposite to this angle x. So we can apply the theorem, exterior angle theorem. That means we can write this as exterior angle. What is exterior angle here? Angle x is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. That means 50 degree plus 70 degree. Therefore, angle x is equal to 120 degree. Angle x is equal to 120 degree. So, this way we are finding the exterior angle x. Okay, now we can move on to next question. So now next question, again find the value of x. So you look here x here it is exterior angle of this triangle, right? This side is extended. So angle x is exterior angle. So here our question is to find the exterior angle. So we can use our exterior angle theorem. That means exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. So this 30 and 40 are interior angles and they are opposite to angle x also. So angle x we can write as angle x is equal to 30 degree plus 40 degree. That means angle x is equal to 70 degree. Okay, x is equal to 70 degree. Students, you got this? So, exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. So, here angle x is equal to 30 plus 40. So, angle x is equal to 70 degree. So, we can move on to the next question. So, next question, here also we want to find the value of x. So, see this, here x is interior or exterior angle? Yes, it is interior angle. Okay, this is an interior angle. So, here one exterior angle is also given here. Okay, that means 120 degree. That is 120 degree is exterior angle. So, here how we can find the value of x? That means we can apply the exterior angle theorem. That means exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. So here x plus, we know that x plus 60 degree is equal to 120 degree. That means exterior angle it is 120 degree. That exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angle, because 60 degree and x are interior angle. Okay, so exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. So we want to find x. That means we want to find the angle x equal to 120 degree. This plus 60 changes to s, negative 60. That means angle x is equal to 60 degree. Angle x is equal to 60 degree. So here the angle x is not exterior angle, but here one exterior angle is given and we want to find this interior angle. So here we want to use exterior angle theorem. That means exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Got it, students? Okay. So next question, here also find the value of x. So here x is given. So what's meant by this square? This angle is 90 degree. And what about here? 125 degree. So here 125 is, yes, it's an exterior angle. It's an exterior angle. So we can apply the exterior angle theorem. That means exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. That means interior opposite means this two angles. That means x and 90 degree. So we can write here. So x plus angle x plus 90 degree is equal to 125 degree. Now from that angle x is equal to, yes, 125 degree plus 90 changes to minus 90. So therefore angle x is equal to 35 degree. Okay, angle x is equal to 35 degree. So here this square means it is 90 degree, and here we want to find x, and x and 90 degree are interior angles, and an exterior angle 125 degree is given. So we can apply exterior angle theorem. That means exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. So we can x plus 90 degree is equal to 125 degree, and angle x is equal to 125 degree. This plus 90 changes to minus 90 degree, and angle x is equal to 35 degree. So students, hope you all understood. Thank you.